This is Mina Barsoom with cdocs.com, and welcome to the tip of the day. Today I'd like to focus on some of the settings we have in the configuration menu of our CEREC software. So let's take a look at the software. We're going to go ahead and open up our main window. When you scroll all the way up to the upper left hand side and click on the DS icon, you'll see your configuration menu. We're going to focus on settings today. So when you look at settings, the first one is our nomenclature, so ADA versus FDI, and here in the US we're typically using the ADA nomenclature. The second menu allows you to turn on and off the tooltips and some of the notifications, so you can toggle those on and off. Our seat position is individual, so depending on how you've configured your operatory, I typically like standing behind my patients or sitting behind my patients. We can also configure the hub, so depending on your hub settings, you can adjust them there. You can even choose your database, so if you want to store your cases on an external hard drive or separate hard drive, that's where you set that information. And then certainly language is just our language setting for the software. For block selection, I like setting it to last selected size. We typically stock just one size of material, which is the C14, so this makes it a lot easier for us. And then I also turn on the automatic margin finder. It gets me most of the way there, and then I can make some small adjustments as needed. Sprue Position is nice. You can configure and customize specific locations for the sprue. I like putting them on the lingual surface whenever possible, so you can designate that here in the software. And then the last setting is for the prime mill. This allows us to choose between fast and super fast. Now remember, super fast is when we choose all 4 of the milling instruments to manufacture the restoration. And then from there you can choose below from good or very good surface characteristics. So typically I like choosing the good characteristic with the super fast. As I'm doing mostly posterior teeth with zirconia, I like being able to manufacture them in the fastest, most efficient manner, and then we polish them after they come out. So it works out really well to choose those 2 settings. So hopefully this was a good overview of the settings menu. We look forward to seeing you again in the future for more tips of the day. Take care.